A jackup rig or a self-elevating unit is a type of mobile platform that consists of a buoyant hull fitted with a number of movable legs, capable of raising its hull over the surface of the sea. The buoyant hull enables transportation of the unit and all attached machinery to a desired location. Once on location, the hull is raised to the required elevation above the sea surface, supported by the seabed. The legs of such units may be designed to penetrate the seabed, may be fitted with enlarged sections or footings, or may be attached to a bottom mat. Generally, jackup rigs are not self-propelled and rely on tugs or heavy lift ships for transportation. To see more details regarding design, construction and installation of such platforms, refer to jackup platforms are used as exploratory drilling platforms and offshore and wind farm service platforms. Jackup platforms have been the most popular and numerous of various mobile types in existence. The total number of jackup drilling rigs in operation numbers about 540 at the end of 2013. The first one was designed by LeTourneau for Zapata Oil, owned by George H. W. Bush, who later became the 41st President of the United States. Name: jackup rigs are so named because they are self-elevating with 3 or 4 movable legs that can be extended above or below the hull. Jackups are towed to the site with the hull, which is actually a watertight barge that floats on the water, a Euro unregistered trademark S surface, lowered to the water level, and the legs extended above the hull. When the rig reaches the work site, the crew jacks the legs downward through the water and into the sea floor. This anchors the rig and holds the hull well above the waves. Operation: a jackup is a floating barge fitted with long support legs that can be raised or lowered. The jackup is maneuvered into location with its legs up and the hull floating on the water. Upon arrival at the work location, the legs are jacked down onto the sea floor. Then preloading takes place, where the weight of the barge and additional ballast water are used to drive the legs securely into the sea bottom so they will not penetrate further while operations are carried out. After preloading, the jacking system is used to raise the entire barge above the water to a predetermined height or air gap, so that wave, tidal and current loading acts only on the relatively slender legs and not on the barge hull. Modern jacking systems use a rack and pinion gear arrangement where the pinion gears are driven by hydraulic or electric motors and the rack is affixed to the legs. Jackup rigs can only be placed in relatively shallow waters, generally less than 120 meters of water. However, a specialized class of jackup rigs known as premium or ultra-premium jackups are known to have operational capability in water depths ranging from 150 to 190 meters. Types: mobile offshore drilling units. This type of rig is commonly used in connection with oil and or natural gas drilling. There are more jackup rigs in the worldwide offshore rig fleet than other type of mobile offshore drilling rig. Other types of offshore rigs include semi-submersibles and drill ships, which are ship-shaped vessels with rigs mounted in the centers. These rigs drill through holes in the drill ship hulls, known as moon pools. Turbine installation vessel. This type of rig is commonly used in connection with offshore wind turbine installation. Barges. Jackup rigs also refer to specialized barges that are similar to an oil and gas platform but are used as a base for servicing other structures such as offshore wind turbines, long bridges, and drilling platforms. See also, crane vessel, offshore geotechnical engineering, oil platform, TIV resolution, references.